All right, so today we're going to do our fourth and final one-day module. This one will be pretty easy and pretty straightforward. And again, we're going to use code from a previous assignment to complete this assignment. It's going to give you plenty of time to work on this project. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So today we're going to introduce something called Python modules. And early in the class, one of the things I said to you that was good about Python is that it was extensible, meaning if core Python can't do what you want it to do, it has the ability to bring in new things, new code, new functionality. So if you want Python to control your robot vacuum or connect to your internet-enabled toaster to make sure that you get an alarm when your toast is ready, or your home security system, or you want it to do some kind of special mathematical operation, or use AI. OpenAI has a module for Python that allows you to connect directly to ChatGPT using your Python scripts so that you can enable artificial intelligence in your own programs. So this ability for Python to take on additional abilities is really nice because it basically allows Python to do almost anything you want it to. And the functionality there is tied up in Python modules. We've used modules already somewhat. Most prominently, we've used the turtle module that allows us to do those nice drawings that we do for the sandbox assignments. We've also used the random module, right? The random module gives us ability to generate a random integer or pick a random item from a list. It has several other functions in that module that you can use. So we've learned to create custom functions, and now we can make those custom functions even more portable by embedding those in modules.